Do you ever just fart?
Yeah, I just wanted to know.
Somebody on Vine told me if I want a boyfriend, I should start acting more ladylike. You're an asshole. I don't get boys. I don't understand you. Hi, my name's Lisa. I'll be auditioning for the X Factor. It's an original. Good luck. Thanks.
That was a.
Hola, papi. I feel like I could fart on command. Like, just. Yeah, we like to fart, but that's okay. We got big booty, so they run it anyways. If you keep talking shit about me, I'm gonna fart in your mouth. And if you didn't know, I could fart on command. Told you.
I just wanted to know.
Out in the wilderness. This is for you guys. Girls, don't fart. I guess I'm a unicorn then, bitch. It's for all my haters. Yeah, bitches. So I don't know what I've been eating lately, but my farts are like on point. Keep following. Are you ready for this? That was a short one, but still pretty good.
Oh, nasty.
Yeah. That's it. That was a fucking baby fart. That wasn't even good. That sucked.
You can in a minute.
Fart come.
Exercising, taking the level extreme.
Morning.